Okay, so today, what we are going to discuss?
Uh, Animal
Yeah,
cell
camp.
vessel and animal tissue.
Yeah, animal and plant tissues. Yes, that we are doing. Okay. First of all, you both of me give me the summary of the classes what we have studied till point.
Okay, so
Yeah, start.
so we learned about food chain last class. So
Yes. In tissue chapter only. In tissue chapter.
in tissue. Okay,
Yeah.
so you said the tissue is made out of different levels of organization. The
Okay.
largest unit is the organ system, which is made of multiple organs. Each organ is made of tissues and are made of tiny building blocks called cells.
Okay. Next. What is meristematic tissue and what are the types of meristematic tissue?
Okay, so meristematic tissue so meristematic tissue is a division of multiple cells in
But look,
is very
no, don't
so it
look
is
from the. Tell me by yourself only.
so meristematic tissue divides very fast. It
Okay.
divides less it divides in 24 hours. The types of meristematic tissue I know is apical meristematic tissue, lateral meristematic tissue,
Okay.
and and
What are the
typical
types of
meristematic.
what are the types of meristematic tissue and their locations?
So the apical meristematic tissue is at the top of the plant.
Okay. At the growing tips of the plant.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
Next.
the lateral meristematic tissue. So
Okay.
is it found in the roots?
Not roots, but it is found in the it helps in the
The
increasing the girth,
stem.
the
So in the
broadness of
stem.
yeah.
Oh yes, sir.
Then
It is found at the nut at the stem of a
yeah,
plant, increasing the broadness of the plant.
yeah. Then last is intercalary.
Yes, sir. Intercalary is found at the nut of the leaves of the plant.
Good. Excellent. Good. The other part will be explained by Austin Boy. Austin, you tell me.
Okay, sir. So the functions of stomata.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, so the function of stomata helps the plant to take in carbon dioxide and send out oxygen.
No. This thing happened to me. No. Don't use it. Oh, don't.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Stomata. The stomata helps the plants to take in carbon dioxide and send out oxygen.
Yeah. Then next.
Okay, sir. Next.
You're singing. Sir, listen.
Yes, yes, I'm listening. Go ahead, go ahead.
So we have the stomata, the epidermis. So it is the outermost single cell layer of a plant.
Yes, yes, yeah, next.
It's you. Stop looking at me.
What is it?
Oh, sure.
So we have the protective tissue. So
Let
they
let
call
the I say.
says waiting. You are there. I think I need to see my own. Like
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Mm. Mm.
wow, Chira, stop it, the camera.
Okay.
Says talking to you.
Yeah.
So I don't really understand that topic, but I understood the topic of organ system.
What are the categories of simple permanent tissues?
Mm.
What are the categories of simple permanent tissues?
So,
Tell me fast. Today we have to wind up this chapter fast, fast.
Fast. Simple. Simple permanent tissue. It's not complicated.
please, sir, what was your question?
Yeah. What are the types of simple permanent tissue?
Sir, I don't know.
Then that day we have discussed very well, and even before that also. Yes, Austin, can you tell fast?
Please, sir.
Yeah, you tell me. You tell me fast.
Please, sir, can we talk about the one that we studied last class?
Last to last class, biology class. I'm talking about last Sunday we studied, na?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Our schedule is like Sunday to Sunday is biology class, Monday general science, your environmental science, and Thursday your chemistry class. Okay, so these three classes I am taking. So today is Sunday, so we will be discussing about bio.
Okay, sir.
You tell me about the simple permanent issues fast.
Please, sir, you said a simple permanent tissue is these are tissues made up of similar tissues.
Yeah,
So similar
similar.
cells,
Yeah, and have similar shape, size, and function.
similar shape, size, and function. Similar
Okay, now
shape.
what are the types of cells? Simple permanent tissues.
Please, sir. So the
Yeah,
type
what
of
are
similar.
parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma? I taught you, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This parenchyma. So
Yes,
parenchyma. This it has thin walls.
yes.
Uh, The cells are composed of living cells. It is oval or spherical in shape. So
Okay.
it has a large center vacuole found
Okay.
in the leaves, roots, and so is it the peel?
Yeah, good. Next, colon
So colon, these are tissues that are made up of living cells whose cells whose cell wall are very thick at the corners.
Mm-hmm.
Parenchyma is made of cellulose and uh, pectin.
Okay. Yeah. Its cell wall is made up of pectin, cellulose, and pectin. Good. And they have thickened corners.
Yes, sir. Then we have
Sclerenchyma.
sclerenchyma.
Yeah.
So it is made up of dead cells. It is
Okay.
also made up of lignin.
Their cell wall is made up of lignin. Good.
It is located at the stem around the vascular bundle.
Yes. Excellent. Excellent. Good. So today we are going to start with the complex permanent tissue. One we have already studied, that is your xylem. Okay. Xylem helps in the transportation of water in the plant. Okay. And it is
Yes.
consist of following parts. Number one is your xylem parenchyma, xylem vessels, xylem tracheids. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why we call this a permanent tissue? Why we call them permanent tissues? Can you tell me? Complex
So
permanent tissue.
complex permanent. So I think it's the opposite of simple permanent tissue that uh, they don't have the same size and shape. They are not having similar size and shape.
No, I'm asking about you the xylem and phloem. These are the two types of complex permanent tissue. Okay. Write in your notes, complex permanent tissue are of two types, xylem and phloem. Right.
Oh,
Complex permanent tissue are of two types, xylem and phloem.
huh. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Yes.
Please, sir. Can you go back to the other note?
No. What I'm telling you, write that one. Okay.
Okay, sir. Please, sir. What did you say again?
Yeah. Then give the heading xylem, and in xylem write this line, that it is the vascular tissue in plants which transports water and dissolved nutrients upward from the roots. Then after that, below it, right, xylem is consist of these four things: brackets, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem sclerenchyma. These are the four components of the xylem. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why? Are you able to understand? What is your nickname?
So my nickname.
Yeah, yours nickname.
Chidera.
Chintia.
Chidera.
Shrideva.
Yes, sir.
Wow, Shrideva. Okay, I'll call you Shrideva. Shrideva, are you able to understand what is xylem and what xylem do? What is the
Yes,
work of
sir.
xylem?
So I'm able to
Okay.
understand.
Yeah. Xylem is a vascular tissue in plant. Shrideva, listen here. Xylem is a
Yes,
vascular tissue in plants which helps to transport water and dissolved nutrients. Okay.
okay, sir.
And the direction of xylem is unidirectional. It moves from down to up. Okay.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Because roots absorb the water and minerals from the soil that is transported from root to the other parts of the plant. Can you see the arrow? Arrow is showing
Yes, sir.
upward now. So the movement of xylem is upward. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And can you see these four parts? Brackets, vessels, xylem, parenchyma, xylem, sclerenchyma. These are the four parts of the xylem itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Xylem is composed of these four parts. Now you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now one by one we will study about it. See, this is the structure of the xylem. This is how the xylem looks like in a plant. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So give the subheading brackets. In brackets, right? These are elongated dead cells and underline the dead cells because brackets cells are dead. Then next point, right? These are involved in the conduction of or transportation of water and make this diagram. That is your bracket. Okay, label. Can you see these dots like structures in this bright part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are the arrangements of the cell. In this way, the cells are arranged in the brackets. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
good. Done?
So
This diagram
almost.
you have made. Diagram is completed.
Yes,
So
sir.
almost
Please.
done.
Almost done.
Is it
Okay,
complicated?
okay. Do it
Show that
fast.
too fast. There's no time. Are you not done for still?
No, mommy.
You just have to mark those places. Later you can mark them. Those small, small sectors. You can mark them later so that your teacher can continue with those jobs.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Done, she did.
Yes,
Okay.
mommy.
So next part is your vessels. Give heading vessels. And in the diagram, label this part as vessel, which is bright.
Continue.
Yes, sir. Yes,
In
sir.
vessel, in vessels, right? These are the cylindrical tube-like structures placed one above the other, like this. See here, like this.
Yes, sir.
Can you see one over the other? My hand,
Are you seeing?
Yes, sir.
yeah, like this. The vessel cells are placed, okay, and they act as a filtration part.
Okay, sir.
And these vessels plays the most vital part. in the xylem. This is the most important component of the xylem.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next point in the vessels, right? It forms the channel for the conduction of water. Channel means it makes the connection between cells so that water can move. Hmm?
No, yes, sir.
Okay. Next part is xylem parenchyma. Label this bright part in your diagram.
Okay, sir.
This is the xylem parenchyma. This is the living cell, living component. Vessels and parenchyma, they both are the living component of xylem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the xylem parenchyma, right, they store food like carbohydrates, lipids. Then last part is xylem sclerenchyma. In the diagram, label this part which is bright as xylem sclerenchyma. Then in the xylem sclerenchyma, write the points. Number one, it is non-living fiber. Right. First point, it is non-living fiber. Second point, cell walls are thick. In the sclerenchyma, we studied one point now. What is the function of sclerenchyma?
So the function of sclerenchyma is to protect the
Yes.
inner part of
So
the tree.
same thing here. The xylem sclerenchyma also helps in the protection. It gives mechanical support to the xylem. So third point you write, it gives mechanical support to the xylem. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So xylem you understand properly? Any doubts in
Please,
xylem?
please, sir, can you go back to vessels?
Okay. Yeah, here's the vessels. Any doubts in the xylem?
Yes, sir.
What doubt?
Please, sir. Please, sir, in the vessels, those dot there, what are they? What is it for? The dot in the vessels.
These dots are the cells. They help in the flowing of water. Water will
Okay.
flow from bottom to the top now.
Yes, sir.
So these cells, this dot structure will help the water to move from bottom to the top.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Please, sir, also go to xylem parenchyma.
Xylem parenchyma.
If you're asking questions like that, children will be happy.
Xylem parenchyma is this part. Okay. This will store the
Yes, sir.
this will store the food and help the plant in surviving. Okay, the xylem tissues.
Okay, sir.
Please, sir. Why
Yeah.
does it look like bamboo?
Okay, that's
It looks like bamboo. Yes, right. That is the structure of the xylem parenchyma. Okay, now give the next heading. Next heading is your phloem.
No.
Okay,
Yes,
in
sir.
phloem, you write it is bidirectional in nature. Bidirectional means it can move anywhere in the plant, up or down. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, please spell the biodirectional.
Bidirectional spelling is
Yes, sir.
bi, then
Yes, sir.
directional direc
Directional.
tional.
Like two different ways. Bi-directional. So bi means
Okay,
two.
sir. Thank you.
Yeah. The next point in phloem, right? It helps in the transportation of. It helps in the transportation of metabolic products of the plants. Metabolic product means the food which is prepared by the leaves. That food is transported by the phloem.
Okay, sir.
Phloem is made up of further four types: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers, and phloem parenchyma.
Oh,
Okay. Can
yes,
you see
sir.
this diagram? This
Oh,
is the diagram of phloem.
Okay, sir.
Fiber. Please, are we supposed to draw the diagram?
Yes, yes, yes. Make the diagram of phloem. This is the diagram of phloem.
Let me just see the diagram.
The diagram is done. Let me know fast. Okay.
Okay, sir. I swear to God, this
Hmm? Diagram is done.
Please, sir,
Yes, sir.
almost done.
Okay.
Two, three,
Make it fast.
Okay, sir.
okay, sir. So I'm done.
Okay.
I don't even know what I'm drawing here.
So can you see these bright structures? Label them as sieve tube.
Okay, sir. Sieve tube. Sieve.
And write the function of sieve tube, that it helps in the transportation of food or the organic compound.
Tubes. Helps. So you said it helps?
It helps in the transportation of food.
Of the organic compound. Faustina, see,
This is
just
the process in photosynthesis on the left hand side. Okay, food is prepared by the help of photosynthesis. This food is transported
Okay.
by the sieve tubes, which are present in the phloem. Okay,
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
okay. So the next part is companion cells. Okay, label
Yes.
this bright part as companion cells.
The
Then
fast
write
children are
the
the
function
foods.
of write the function of companion cell. Write the function of companion cell. Number one, it determines the direction of transport of food. In which direction the food should be transported means, is it required in the roots or at the shoots? That is done by the companion cell.
Of
Okay.
Yes,
Second
sir.
Yes, sir.
function. Second function of companion cell, right? It regulates the level of sugar in the sieve tube, particularly underline the sieve tube.
Teacher, what is CQ?
Uh-uh.
Yeah,
Sieve tube.
Oh, the
sieve,
C.
not sieve.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You wrote it
S
the other
I
time
E.
SICV.
Okay, sir, thank you. I thought you were saying Steve too.
Children, are you gone?
Yes, copy. So copy.
Use the other hand to support your book. You'll be copying faster. I should not repeat this again. It's as if you are reluctant to copy.
Shall we move to the another component?
Pardon, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We can move on, sir.
Okay. So next component is phloem fiber. Okay, label this part as phloem fiber, which is a bright this this last.
Lower fiber. Lower.
Why didn't you bring it down? If you people continue following up like this, you will take first in that place. How many children that is discouraging me?
More,
This
please, sir.
label this bright part as phloem parenchyma.
Please, sir.
Yes,
Please, sir. In the types of, uh,
Functions of.
no, sir. In the types of phloem, sir, there is no phloem parenchyma.
there phloem parenchyma. Phloem is also having four components. Number one is sieve tubes. Number two is your companion cells. Number three is phloem fiber, and number four is phloem parenchyma. These four are the four components are of phloem. Okay,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
so add there phloem parenchyma.
Please, sir. So the green part is a phloem parenchyma.
Yeah, this green part
And
is phloem parenchyma.
then, sir, where is going to be the phloem fiber?
Phloem fibers are present near the sieve tubes. This yellow structure, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Near this yellow structure, the phloem fibers are present. The function of fiber is to provide mechanical support to the sieve tubes.
Okay, sir.
And the function of phloem parenchyma is to store the food. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Please, sir, you said flowing fiber helps to provide mechanical support.
Support, yes,
Yes.
support to the sieve tubes. Sieve, sieve, sieve tubes.
Kai, Kai, no. It helps to start. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Correct on, children, correct.
So in plant tissue, we have studied about meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue is further of three types. That is your apical meristem, lateral
Yes,
meristem, and
and
intercalary meristem.
intercalary. Yes, sir.
And permanent tissues are further of two types: simple permanent tissues
Simple
and
permanent,
complex permanent
complex
tissues.
permanent tissue.
Simple permanent tissues are further of two types: protective tissue and supportive tissue.
And supportive tissue.
Okay, protective tissue
Yes,
epidermis and cork. So supportive tissue parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma.
uh, yes, sir.
Okay, then complex permanent tissue, that is your parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Sorry, permanent complex tissue is xylem and phloem. Make this flow chart. It will help you to memorize this chapter. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Chidera, are you following?
Yes.
Are you understanding?
Yes.
Then why are you too quiet? Is
Deva,
it
are you
okay?
understanding or not?
Some understanding.
What you are not understanding? Tell me.
Sir, the function of companion cells.
Function of companion cell is to provide support to the sieve tubes. Okay, the companion. What is the meaning of companion in English?
So, like,
What is
accompany.
to
Okay, sir.
accompany somebody. Similarly, here also companion cells are accompanying the sieve tubes. Okay, Shrideva?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, now are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Shrideva, you have to do a lot of hard work. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This flow chart now leave space for the animal tissue. Okay? When we will complete animal tissue, we will make flow chart like this here. Okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shrideva, from here, can you summarize the entire plant tissue?
Mm,
Can you summarize the entire plant tissue?
yes, sir. So I can.
Okay, summarize and tell me.
Um, so we have tissue. There's two types of tissue. There's plant tissue and animal tissue. Under
Okay.
plant tissue, there are two types of tissue:
Hmm.
meristematic tissue and permanent tissue.
Okay.
Meristematic tissue, there is apical mastem,
Okay.
Maristem.
lateral mastem, and intercalary mastem.
Okay. What are the locations of these three?
So apical is on the top of the plant.
Okay, growing tips of the plant.
Sir,
Lateral.
lateral is the note of the plant.
No, not nodes in the stem.
The stem. Okay.
Then intercalary.
Is the note of the
Yeah,
plant.
nodes and internodes.
Okay, so
Okay, move further.
permanent tissue, we have complex permanent tissue, xylems and phloems.
No, first tell me simple permanent tissue. No, it is of further two types.
Okay, so simple permanent tissue, we have protective tissues and supportive tissue. Under
Okay.
protective tissue, we have epidermis and cork.
Okay, what is epidermis?
Um,
See, when you break the term epidermis, okay, epi means first, dermis means layer. So the first layer of the leaf is called epidermis.
okay, sir.
Okay, break the term and study. Underline epi, EPI, underline it and write it means first. Then underline dermis. Dermis means layer. So means the first layer of the leaf is called epidermis. Okay, and it is a living
Yes,
layer.
sir.
Living layer means composed of living cells.
Second, the first layer of of a plant is non-living because it's supposed to protect the inner layer.
That is cork. I am talking about the leaf. Leaf. Epidermis
Oh,
is the part of the leaf, the first layer of the leaf.
leaf.
The next part is cork. Cork is your dead part of the green part.
Oh, okay,
The
okay, okay, okay.
Let me see. I asked you to drop the meaning,
First layer of the leaf.
but he said epi means what?
First
First.
You have to write it first. Demis. Where is
Layer
Demis?
of the
demis
leaf.
layer.
Layer, right?
Man,
Yes.
Shirideva is really very weak in studies. I want
Sorry.
you to support him and guide. No, no, ma'am. No, it's not about sorry. Your guidance is also important.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you dropped it. Drop it.
Yes, mommy.
He said demis means leaf, right?
Layer.
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 Demis layer.
Okay, first layer of leaf. So you have to jot all those things so that when your teacher is not there, you can recall. It's as if I should be doing your work, Chidera. You want to become a pilot. You must pass all science subjects. Are you done?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Tell your teacher that you are done.
So I'm done.
So we are done.
Show me the notes of
Consider
Shirideva. Bring it on the screen. Let me see how he is writing.
Please, sir, can you repeat the statement?
Shirideva, show me your notes on the screen.
Good. Show your notes on that screen. On the screen.
on the screen, on the screen.
Did it on the screen. Bring it little closer. Shirideva, you have to improve your handwriting as well.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello. I told you.
And see the notes of Boston girl. What is your nickname? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Uh, so my nickname is Faustine.
First in A.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
First in A, you show me your notes.
So, mm,
Go closer.
Wow, excellent. This is the way of making the note. Shirideva,
Hello.
Sir.
Shirideva, see the notes of Festina. You both are studying at the same time from a same teacher under the guidance of the same parents. and see the difference between the notes.
Are you saying? Do you understand what he said?
Yes.
But are you going to improve on your handwriting? It feels as if he's reluctant to be copying notes. So let me report you. If it was
Kastina
football,
helped the Shri Deva to improve himself. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Can we move further now for the towards the animal tissue?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, in animals, the tissues are specialized and found only in animals. Okay. Animal
Yes, sir.
tissues are totally different from plant tissues. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For example, how they are different, I'll tell you. Listen here. First, listen here, then write.
Okay, sir.
Xylem and xylem phloem. Okay, parenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma. These are common in all the plants on the earth. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what makes the animal tissue specialized and different? See, we also have heart. Animals are also having heart. For example, we take the example of a dog. Okay,
Yes.
dog is
Yes.
also having a heart. We humans are also having heart. But
Yes, sir.
the tissues and the cells of both the heart are different. The tissues and cells of the dog heart is different. Tissues and cells of the human heart is different.
Okay, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
what this line means. Animal tissues are specialized tissues and found only in animals. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
good. Now make this flow chart. Animal tissues are four types. These four types we will study in human. Okay, we will study
Yes,
the
sir.
human animal tissue. So first thing your epithelial tissue, then connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue.
Sir, epithelial
Epithelial.
tissue.
epithelial.
Epithelial.
Okay, sir. Connective. Connective
Connective
tissue.
tissue. C double N
Yes, sir.
E C T H E.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Yes, muscular tissue and nervous tissue.
So, is the nervous tissue found in the human or in an animal?
Nervous tissue is found in all the animals. It is now under each tissue. Write their meaning. Epithelial tissue. It is related to skin.
Did you understand? Eh? You
Connective tissue.
understood?
Connective tissue is related to bones and blood.
Related, related to skin. Please, sir. Connective
Muscular
tissue is related to bones and blood.
muscular tissue is related to muscles.
Thank you, sir. Connective tissue.
Nervous tissue is related to
Yes, sir.
brain. Nervous tissue is related to brain and spinal cord.
Please, sir, can you repeat back
Epithelial.
epithelial tissue?
That is related to skin.
Okay, sir.
Green वाले डब्बे.
Which one, please go? Like this. Go up. No, up. Also. Please, sir. You said nervous tissue is related to brain.
Brain and spinal cord. but we have to study the brain part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we move further?
Yes, sir.
See, epithelial tissue are made up of single layer of cells. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The single layer of cells and the blood vessels inside them are absent. Epithelial tissue के अंदर blood vessels absent
Yes.
होती है. Okay. And its main
Yes,
function
sir.
is to cover all the organs.
NS.
Okay. It covers all the organs.
NS.
Means it also gives the protection, a protective function, and it is found in these following in the parts in our body: in the skin, in the lining of the mouth, in the lining of blood vessels, and in the kidney tubules.
Please, sir.
This
Please,
is a
sir. What is a blood vessel?
location. Blood vessels are the like tube-like structures which help in the transportation or the movement of the blood in our body. Write the location of epithelial tissue: skin, lining of mouth. Lining means our inner lining or our oral cavity. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Then lining of blood vessels and kidney tubules. These are the locations of epithelial tissue.
Skin lining of mouth. Blood lining. Lining. Lining of vessel. Vessel. And kidney tube. Sir,
Yes.
please, sir, what is the meaning of tubeless? Tube.
Tubeless. Tubules. Tubules means tube-like structures.
So tube,
Like
Tubeless, not
structures.
tubeless.
Not tubeless. It is
tubeless
not
structure.
tubeless. It is tubules.
Okay, sir.
It's tube.
In the epithelial again, right? Epi means first, thelial means layer.
Okay, sir.
Epithelial. Break the epithelial
I
term.
want to
In the plant, we were using the term epidermis. In animals, we will use the term epithelial. Meaning is same, but terms are different.
Okay, sir. Wait. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please,
Yes.
sir. The epidermis and the epithelial sound the same. It's like the outermost layer of the plant and the outermost layer of the body.
Animals. Yes, yes, yes. In animals, we will use epithelial term. Okay. In plants, we use epidermis. Meaning is same.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's
This you understood?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Chidera, are you there? What is it? What have you
Then
not
write in epithelial, write these two lines. Blood vessels are absent in them, and they are made up of single layer of cells.
have to wake up? Expression. See the way they are copying me. You know the other hand to support them. The minute we angry and we deal with you.
Hmm? Hmm. These are the types of epithelial tissue, right? The types of epithelial tissue.
Squamous
Squamous, epithelial,
epithelial
stratified squamous epithelial,
certified, huh? Certified
squamous
squamous
epithelial,
epithelial
cuboidal epithelium,
cuboid, cuboidal epithelial
and columnar epithelium.
columnar epithelial.
Shrideva, what can you figure out from these four words? Shrideva,
Squamous.
Sir,
what can you figure out
um,
from these four terms?
sir,
Only read the first word: squamous, stratified
squam,
squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. From these four words, what can you figure out?
so squamous, I can figure out a square.
Yeah, stratified squamous. So that means this classification is based on the shape of the cells. Cuboidal means cube-like. Columnar means rectangle. This cuboidal is your uh, cuboid-like shape. Okay.
Column
Yes,
So
sir.
now,
these four
rectangle.
categories are based on the shape of the cells.
Mommy, don't talk about it.
Okay. But when you jot it, it's easier to understand. Taking going is
Squamous.
First, we will study about squamous epithelial. Give the heading squamous epithelial. Okay, in this, the cells are arranged from end to end like this. Can you see on the floor the tiles are like connected from end to end?
Yes, sir.
In that way, the cells are connected in squamous epithelial. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Second thing, it forms blood vessels and the covering of our tongue and skin. Head to toe, our skin is made up of squamous epithelial.
Yes, sir. So to me, I
Okay.
think squamous. Please, sir, to me, I think squamous epithelial is like the soft skin, the out skin, like the soft part of it. So like
Yeah.
our skin,
But
this part.
yeah. This outer skin. This skin is made up of squamous epithelium.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. Then next is that even our inside cavity of the mouth, our food pipe, our nose alveoli, all these are the areas which are made up of squamous epithelial. This all you have to learn. Which part in our body is made up of which tissue.
Okay, sir.
sorry, you're not talking.
What is the function of epithelial tissue? It provides protection to our inner organs or the underlining of the skin.
Please, sir. Please,
Yes,
sir. When they say lining cavities, what does it mean?
lining cavity means it forms like uh, this flat stack like structures.
Okay, sir.
Please, I have a question.
What, Shrideva?
So, what is uh,
Uh,
esophagus
Esophagus cavity.
cavity?
Esophagus is the food pipe. When you eat
Food.
food and swallow it, na, it goes through
Okay.
your neck. So it goes by a pipe. That pipe is called esophagus,
Okay,
and
sir.
it means the inside, the food pipe is hollow from inside. So the inner cavity of the food pipe is made up of squamous epithelial tissue.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
And what is alveoli? This you did not ask me.
So I think the alveoli. We said
Is
about.
this
No, that's not the alveoli. So the
Alveoli
alveoli, sir.
is
Um, um, um. So
alveoli.
the singular one of it is
alveoli?
alveolus, right, sir?
मेरा वाला connect करो. Wait for a minute.
It's here like this.
No, alveoli is around this.
There I'm seeing here.
Yes. Please, sir. Is it close to the lungs?
1 minute, I have to connect my internet. I have to change my internet connection. 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा. Okay. Alveoli. Where is the location of alveoli in our body?
So is it close to the lungs?
Yeah, it is in the lungs. Good. What is the function of alveoli? It helps in the exchange of gases. When we breathe in
Yes.
air,
So
okay,
is it? The, please, sir,
This
is
here,
the
this.
alveoli inside the bronchus? The
yeah,
bronchus.
inside the lungs, not bronchioles, inside the lungs. Okay, when we
Inside the
breathe in
lungs.
air,
Yes, sir.
when we breathe in air, the air goes inside the lungs, and in the lungs, this alveoli helps to exchange the oxygen. It takes the oxygen from the air and give back carbon dioxide. Okay,
Okay,
Okay, sir.
sir.
so the lining of that alveoli is also made up of squamous epithelial tissue.
Please, sir, is the alveoli also the air sac?
Alveoli is also
The
ESA.
air sac.
ASEC. What is that?
So in our
Another name.
biology class, he gave us in respiration. So they said another name for the alveoli is air sac.
Yeah, a sac-like structure. Yes, alveoli is a sac-like structure. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, we are there.
Yeah, I'm not able to see your video. Yeah, now it is fine. Okay. So this is how the squamous epithelial tissue are arranged. Okay. The cells are arranged.
Yes, sir.
Make the diagram.
Okay, sir.
Then your diagram is done.
So almost done, sir.
Okay.
So done.
Yes, sir, done.
So next is your cuboidal epithelium. This is the diagram of cuboidal epithelium. Cube-like shape. Make this.
Yes, sir.
Give the heading cuboidal epithelial.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we not skip one of the types. We have not done certified
That is.
squamous
We
epithelium.
will do it after that because squamous and cuboidal they both have similar functions. So that is why we are doing that first.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So give the heading cuboidal epithelium. In this, right, they are cells are made up of cells are in the shape of cube and make this diagram. None of you asked me that what is this dark circle in the center of the cell. It was also there in the squamous.
Mm,
Shrideva, what is this? Now I am asking you.
so,
Why you did not ask me, sir, what is this dark circle?
so I don't know the circle. So I don't know the name of the circle.
This is nucleus,
Nucleus.
nucleus of the cell. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hmm,
So we are
okay.
done.
Yeah. Palestina, please listen here. The function of this cuboidal epithelium is to provide mechanical support to the epithelial tissue. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And it is found in the kidneys. It is found in the kidneys, salivary glands.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
And in
Please,
the
sir.
sweat gland.
Please, I have a question.
So kidneys, thyroid. This is the thyroid gland. This is present in the neck region.
Please, sir.
Salivary gland are present in the mouth. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please, I have a question. Please, sir, I have three questions, sir. Four, sorry,
Yes,
first
Palestina. What
question.
is your question?
Please, sir, my first question is when we always
Palestina.
talk about
What is your question?
mechanical support, what
Am I
kind of
am I audible?
yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So I'm saying that when we talk about
Yeah.
mechanical support, which kind
Yes.
of mechanical are we talking about?
Why? Mechanical support means okay. Mechanical support. We the kind of mechanical support we are talking here about means कि it will give support to the tissues. Like any
Okay,
injury
sir.
if happens, it will protect in the case of injury.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
sir. Okay, so my second question is, what is the thyroid vessel?
If this goes.
No, I don't think it's a question. Oh my God. Can you hear God? Can you
Understand?
continue? Yes, sir. Please, sir.
In
My
the
second
case,
question.
actually, it will support the tissues. But
Please, sir, I have another
that
question.
I'm changing my mental direction. Give me
Okay, sir.
some time.
I'll keep my question for later. I'll keep my point. Time. Your question.
Thyroid vessels, basically, thyroid is a gland which is present in our neck. Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Palestina, am I audible to you? Good. Tiriteva, Palestina, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Palestina, I'm telling you that vessels, wherever you read terms vessels, it means tube-like structures. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And thyroid is a gland which helps in our growth. Okay. It is a growth
Yes.
stimulating, it is a growth stimulating hormone. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. Any other question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is
Uh,
salivary gland?
salivary gland. Okay. These are the glands which are present in our mouth. Okay. In our
Yes,
mouth,
sir.
there are in two locations it is present. One location is the cheeks. Other location is below the tongue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Whenever we speak
Yes,
or
sir.
whenever we see our favorite food, water comes in our mouth now. Saliva,
Yes, sir.
that saliva is produced by these salivary glands.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So another
Okay.
question. So
Yes.
the last question I have. So what is sweet glands?
Sweat glands. Whenever you go for running, you get
Yes,
sweat. Yeah, that
yes,
sweat is released by these sweat glands. That sweat is the excessive water in our body. Okay.
okay, yes.
Sweat glands are present in our skin.
Okay, sir. I think I saw my
Okay.
question. I don't have any.
Okay, Shrideva, do you have any questions?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, ask your
So
question, Shrideva.
my question is right in tissues. In the tissues.
Where?
The tissue.
Tissues.
Which tissues?
Nervous nervous tissues.
We have it
Now,
before.
we are studying about cuboidal epithelium. Why you are asking the nervous tissue question? When we'll reach the nervous tissue, then we will discuss about that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So from this, you have no doubt. Okay. In the same cuboidal epithelium, I told you that its function is to provide support and as well as protection. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now write the next one, columnar epithelial, and make this diagram.
Hmm? sir.
Yes, Palestina.
Please, sir, are we supposed to draw the second diagram or the first diagram?
Yeah, both the diagrams you have to make. Then I will explain you what these the two diagrams are.
Okay, sir. Sir, done.
Okay. Okay. As you see that the cells of columnar epithelial are long, long and short complex. Okay. These are having
Yes.
these uh, like finger-like projection, thread-like projection at their one end. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These thread-like structures help the cells to absorb the food. Okay. When we eat
Eh,
when we eat pizza or we eat cow meat, if we die, we it goes into our stomach. Okay. But in our stomach,
Yes,
yes,
it
sir.
sir.
doesn't absorb. Okay. It absorption take place in the small intestine. And in the small intestine, these columnar epithelial tissues are present, which are having these thread-like structures. Okay. On these thread-like
Yes,
structures, put an arrow and write villi. VILLI. VILLAI. Villi. Stream. VILLI. Hello, Palestina, Srideva.
sir.
On these thread-like structures, put an arrow, put an arrow and write villi.
Sir, put an arrow and write
Villi. VILLI. VILLI.
I
Villi. Okay.
yes, sir.
villi. Villi. Please, sir.
Yeah.
Is it villa or villi?
V
Villi.
I
Okay, sir.
W A.
So it forms the lining of our stomach. Our stomach inside lining is columnar epithelium, and this also helps in the coordination between small and large intestine. Done?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
done.
Good. Now the last stratified squamous epithelium. Give the heading. Make this diagram. Stratified means layer. Can you see the different layer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The layers like the cake. A cake has different layers, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, our cells also have different layers. So that is called stratified squamous epithelium. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And this stratified squamous epithelium is found in the esophagus and uterine. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Esophagus in bracket you can write food pipe.
Please, sir. The diagram is too. Please, sir. The diagram is too bright. I cannot see it well.
Okay, 1 minute. Now make it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, tomorrow we will study. Tomorrow at 1 o'clock we will study environmental science. May I know what is the syllabus of your environmental science?
So we have never done environmental science.
We did it in primary school.
Simple.
Sir, except from primary school.
Okay, what is your syllabus of subject? Geography. Geography is the syllabus subject.
Yes, sir. And
What
GP
is the
and
syllabus of what?
global perspective.
Which perspective?
Global perspective. So that is a subject that we used to do. GP.
Okay, okay. What is the syllabus? Which is the chapter? Name the Tell me the names of chapters.
So we
So we
have
have been doing case study.
researching, analyzing, uh,
Case study.
judging, case study.
These are the like parts in the chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Like landforms, rivers,
So
inside the earth, atmosphere.
so the first one is
Research.
research.
Research skill.
Research skill, yes, research skill.
Research skill.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Research skills in what?
Science in GP.
Geography.
In geography. Research skills in geography. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
next,
Analyzing skill.
Analyzing skill.
analyzing skills in geography. Then next,
Um, and-
Identifying skill. Yes, it's identifying skill.
identify
Skill.
you. Identify
Science.
you. Okay.
um,
What, Shri Deva?
Says identify skill.
Okay. Then next chapter.
Let my sister go and check.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so we have research skill, analyzing skill. No, so the first one is research. The second one is analyzing. The third one is evaluation. The fourth one is reflecting. Fifth one is communication, and the sixth one is the checkpoint.
And the fourth one is
The fourth one is reflecting.
Okay.
The sit
these
the fifth.
these topics are in the geography.
Yes, sir. It is linked in geography and global perspective.
Okay. In the grammar perspective. Don't you have any chapters like landforms, atmosphere?
No, no, sir.
Mm-mm. So because this year we do most of case study, like the case study of Japan, case study of
Okay, case study
Bangladesh.
of okay,
Yes, sir.
but in that case study, without knowing the landforms, how can you solve the case study?
So
Without knowing the geography, the physiography, physiographic divisions.
this so in geography specifically we did overpopulation,
Hmm?
that is population and settlement. Population and settlement.
Yeah, these are the topics of geography. Na population, yes.
So migration,
Yeah, 1 minute. Population, migration,
population density.
population density.
So that's how we are done.
Okay, okay, okay.
It's not under migration.
So tomorrow we are going to start with your geography classes. Okay, I'll see what best I can do from my end to make you to understand all these case studies in a simple and basic language. Okay,
Okay. Yes,
so
sir.
your homework is that you have to revise and read Shri Deva specifically for you from the book. You have to read these till this animal tissue. Okay,
Okay, sir.
squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, and stratified squamous epithelium. All these four tissues you have to read from your book. Okay, and plus tomorrow and next Sunday we will study about the connective tissue and the remaining tissues of the animal. Okay,
Okay, sir. Yes,
so
sir.
be prepared for that.
Okay, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Okay, goodbye.